Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Wednesday. To all of us. Everyone's already to nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, and to the different people of this earth. Thank you so much, Lord, for bringing us to another day and good health. Everything giving us. Thank you, Lord. Thank you to all the families, to all my hometown, my brother, my sister, my nieces, may mga po ako sa tuhod. Thank you for all of us. And all vloggers that you are already below the different countries. God bless us all and more blessings. Provide everything whatever we need. I love you on this earth. So thank you so much. Thank you. And so vlogger that you are still helping also to me. Thank you very much. That you are very supported in my daily pala. To my live stream, my videos, my regular videos, and my short videos. Thank you so much talaga. That you are giving everything. We're spending time. Even we are not knowing each other, we just connect and grow in the YouTube company, in the YouTube team, and that we are part belong in the social media. So thank you so much talaga. Thank you for everything that we have, what we have. And that is all so happy that you have, how rich you are, how successful you are. That is being very people, which is give everything. So just thank you, Lord. Thank you for having us. Thank you so much. And thank you to my employer, to my madam and sir, to the family of madam and sir, to Sisi, the twins. Thank you for giving, sharing the all blessings that you have shared mutually. So thank you so much. Okay na, how much na? Say bye-bye. Yan yung weather namin na. Ang ganda naman yung weather, okay? So God bless us all. Thank you YouTube staff, and thank you YouTube founder. Thank you for giving me time that I start entering in your YouTube team. Thank you so much. Mahangin ng mahangin, no? Kahapon pa naman naglinis ako ng tubig sa okay lang. Sige, thank you Lord, thank you very much. Thank you and bye-bye. God bless us all.